सो पेलेट गन आप कह रहे जावेद, पेलेट गन दिल्ली पुलिस से नहीं यूज करी है, बट देर इज सम इंडिकेशन whether certain RAF personnel could have been involved. Mr. Ved Bhushan, former ACP of Delhi Police, joins us on the broadcast. Mr. Bhushan, there are pellet gun injuries now that have been reported, that have been documented at the protest. The Delhi Police, of course, says that it does not even own pellet guns, so how can it use it? But how does the system then go about inquiring in these sort of matters, sir? What will be the next steps by the CRPF, the RAF and the Delhi Police?
Devika, investigation is underway, and this is an allegation only that pellet gun was used. However, it was not a lethal weapon. It was used earlier also in J&K and other places, and it is used only to disperse the crowd or illegal demonstration wherever is possible to restrain the police official, but they find the situations is grave and they can use as a primary force to deter the demonstrations during the protest or demonstration. As far as Delhi police is concerned, there is no pellet gun provided to the Delhi police officials so far. However, it is I don't confirm whether it is used by the RAF, CRPF or not, but the investigation or the internal inquiry of CRPF is still underway, and it can't be confirmed officially so far that it was used by the RAF personnel or some criminals, because there was a lot of criminals, gangsters were present at the time of demonstration at Jantar Mantar, and especially on 20th of this month when there were march of Sansad Chalo, and there was some allegations that CRPF personnel, CRPF personnel, RAF Rapid Action Force used such type of bullets. However, it is not confirmed by the Delhi Police nor by the CRPF so far. Both agencies are investigating. CRPF is inquiring, an IG level officer is inquiring. There can be some other problems also, some other rulings also, but it's not so far confirmed whether this was used during this demonstration or otherwise. Let us wait for the investigation conducted by Delhi Police or internal inquiry by CRPF, then we can say what happened and what went wrong. Over to you.
Right, sir. Stay on with me as we move on to the next big mystery. Another visual is now at the center of the row over the NEET protest crackdown. A broken car that was allegedly moved to the protest site after the fact. Visuals in circulation reportedly show the vehicle being wheeled in, already damaged, well after the clashes at the spot had died down, raising questions over whether it was staged to bolster the narrative of protester violence. However, the police version tells a different story. Officials maintain that videos from the spot clearly show protesters vandalizing the car in real time during the demonstrations, and that no such staging took place. With both sides sticking to their claims, the authenticity of the footage and its timeline is now under the scanner. Javed with me on the broadcast. Javed, take our viewers through the details of this broken car that has become a huge part of the controversy.
देखिए, जो कुछ फुटेज जिसपे सामने आया, जिसपे साफ दिख रहा है कि जो प्रोटेस्टर्स हैं वो कुछ गाड़ियों पर जो है गाड़ी को तोड़ते हुए नज़र आ रहे हैं, और कुछ गाड़ियां वैसी है जो इस वायलेंस के बीच में जो डैमेज हुई है। फिलहाल दिल्ली पुलिस ने जिस तरीके से इस पूरे मामले को दर्ज किया है, और अब तक 15 FIR को दर्ज किया गया, और दिल्ली पुलिस की अलग अलग जो टीमें हैं अब इस पूरे मामले को लेकर इन्वेस्टिगेट कर रही है। देखिए, जिस तरीके से गाड़ी डैमेज को लेकर, गाड़ी की तोड़फोड़ को लेकर कई वीडियो सोशल मीडिया के ज़रिए वहाँ पे लगे CCTV कैमरा और इसके अलावा मौके से बने जो वीडियोज़ हैं उनको लेकर जो है दिल्ली पुलिस ने कई ऐसे वीडियोज़ को एग्जामिन किया। दिल्ली पुलिस ने ज़्यादातर वीडियोज़ को जो फॉरेंसिक जांच के लिए भेजा है, और जिस तरीके से पूरा गाड़ी को तोड़ने को लेकर जो चीज़ें सामने आ रही है उस पर दिल्ली पुलिस का फिलहाल अभी ऑफ द रिकॉर्ड यही कहना है कि जो टीमें बनाई गई हैं और जो FIR दर्ज की गई है, और ख़ासतौर से कनॉट प्लेस थाने की हम बात करें या फिर पार्लियामेंट स्ट्रीट की बात करें, और या फिर हम मंदिर मार्ग थाने की बात करें, या फिर हम कर्तव्य पथ की, उनका कहना है कि अलग अलग जगहों पे जिस तरीके से ये जो पूरा वायलेंस हुआ, जिस तरीके से तोड़फोड़ हुई, और जिस तरीके से एलिगेशन लग रहा है कि जो प्रोटेस्टर्स हैं या कुछ प्रोटेस्टर्स की तरफ से ये एलिगेशन लगा है कि दिल्ली पुलिस ने खुद तोड़फोड़ की है, तो फिलहाल इसमें दिल्ली पुलिस का इतना ही कहना है कि जो पूरा
ऑलराइट जावेद।